Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about Twitch fails. Now Twitch fails is a compilation of hilarious moments / fails that happened on live stream by either famous streamers or small time streamers that a lot of people found hilarious. Now, if you search for Twitch fails on Twitch, you won't really find anything. That is because Twitch fails is on YouTube. Now, if I write Twitch fails right here, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of compilations of Twitch fail moments, best Twitch fails compilation. It's by famous people, not so famous people. It's just hilarious stuff that happened on Twitch. Now, made a lot of them clipped into one video, posted on YouTube. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.